Hey Naturally Curly World, I'm Alexandra.
I'm Geraldine, and today we are being quizzed on our knowledge of Black history, not only because it's Black History Month, but because I think Aunt Jackie's, who sponsored this video, just kind of wants to put the fire to us. So let's see.
Yeah, it's gonna be real because history's not my forte, so this should be interesting.
I'm ready to be bundled up and dragged, so I'm ready for the dragging, but yes. I'm also really ready to get into these products too.
Yeah, so we're gonna wash our hair, try out these products. So thank you again, Aunt Jackie's, for sponsoring this video, and y'all stay tuned.
So today I'm going to use Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy by Aunt Jackie's, and also their Curl La La Curl Custard. It's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna do all of this while doing a twist out and being quizzed about Black History Month. One of these things I think I'm gonna do good at, the other thing not so much. So let's figure out which one it is.
So first, I'm gonna refresh my hair with some water and then add the Not On My Watch detangler. Then I guess they're gonna start asking me these questions and hopefully I'm ready for them.
Just do a little mist.
Okay, y'all, it's time for the first question. Let's see how this goes.
Female African-American inventor LYDA NEWMAN invented which common household item? A, the cell phone, B, the refrigerator, C, the hairbrush.
I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, never heard the name before.
I haven't heard of a NEWMAN refrigerator. I haven't heard of a NEWMAN cell phone, so I'm gonna go with the brush.
This is straight guessing game right now. I'm gonna go with refrigerator. This is clearly not a quiz. I guess it's a history lesson, huh?
So the detangling therapy actually is really nice.
This is a really lightweight detangler, which is good because I don't like to use heavy cream products on my hair. It lays my hair down.
You know, with 4C hair, it's kind of tough to get all of the product to work its way through from the ends to the root. And this is thin enough to actually help you do that. It's actually helping me detangle my hair very, very nicely.
Who was the first Black major party presidential candidate? A, Barack Obama, B, Shirley Chisholm, C, Frederick Douglass, D, Thurgood Marshall.
Y'all, politics is something that I am not interested in at all. I'm just gonna go with Shirley Chisholm because that sounds like a great candidate.
I really want to say Shirley Chisholm. Can I phone a friend? I'm gonna go with Shirley Chisholm.
That's right.
Yes! So now that my hair is detangled, I am now going to style it with the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel.
During Shirley Chisholm's 1972 presidential campaign, how many attempts were made to assassinate her? A, 1, B, 2, or C, 3?
I'm gonna say I hope my sister didn't have to go through the struggle more than once. I'm gonna say one time.
So I didn't even know that she was trying to get assassinated. I'm just gonna go with 1.
Ah, goodness, just trying to keep us, trying to keep us down. Why are you trying to keep us down? So I'm gonna use the Curl La La. Look at that, look at how thick that is. It's real nice.
It's really easy to use, and the plus side has great proteins such as flaxseed and vitamin E. I really like it because the consistency is really lightweight.
Since I have low porosity hair, I'm not going to use quite this much for each twist, but what I do want to do is start kind of sectioning out with it, so at least towards the root, it gets some good coverage.
I can already tell my curls are really defined.
So I like to start in the middle. It's not going to be perfect because once I take it out, it's going to be twisty and awesome.
Who is a Grammy Award winner? A, Queen Latifah, B, Herbie Hancock, C, Barack Obama, or D, all of the above?
I'm gonna say all of the above.
I'm going with Queen Latifah.
Yes! Okay.
Barack? How did I miss that? Oh, he just does it all, huh?
I like how there's a gentle slip. It is formulated to thoroughly moisturize dry curls. I went ahead and made sure my hair was wet when I used this because I didn't want my curls to break, and the easiest way for them to break is if they're dry.
So now I'm just gonna have to do a deep part, and then I'll probably even do some finger curls in the front just for a more defined look.
What is Oprah's real name on her birth certificate? A. Ora, B. Olufemi, C. Orpa, or D. Octavia?
I'm so afraid to answer because in my heart, I know the answer. Okay, in my soul, I know the answer. I'm not gonna prolong it, and I'm gonna go with A, Aura.
C. Yeah, that's one thing I do know. It's somebody Oprah.
So I finished twisting my hair and I locked them in with Bantu knots just to keep them secure so they can set easily as I dry them. So whenever I come back with dry hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist out, gonna style, and hopefully not be annihilated by more Black History Month questions.
Who is the highest earning female athlete of all times in terms of prize money across all sports? A. Gabby Douglas, B. Lisa Leslie, C. Venus Williams, or D. Serena Williams?
Serena.
My gut is telling me Serena Williams, so that's who I'm going with.
Before you even said the question, I was like, Serena, so.
I'm so proud of Serena and Venus and all the athletic Black women out there. Y'all better go ahead.
Who was the first African American named as Time Magazine's Person of the Year? A. Booker T. Washington, B. Martin Luther King Jr., C. Muhammad Ali, or D. Barack Obama?
Muhammad Ali.
My heart tells me Muhammad Ali, so I'm gonna say Muhammad Ali. Clearly I am trash. Didn't MLK have waves? Pretty sure he did. Had a great mustache. And also, thank you. Thank you for having an amazing dream.
So we are back. Hair is cute. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me about that quiz though. How did you think you did?
Honestly, I think I did terribly, but I also think I did better than you. So
I heard you like screaming and yelling, so I'm pretty sure you probably bombed it, but let's just find out.
Carolyn won.
What?
You got 4, and Alex, you got 3.
Okay.
That's what I call a landslide. I'm blacker than you.
Did she really go there? Okay.
We both did good.
We did.
We're both Black people. Man.
So this is my finished product. I really like it. My curls look really defined, moisturized, and shiny. So thank you again, Aunt Jackie, for the products, and happy Black History Month.
All right, you guys, so this is my final look. I feel really nice and pretty and cute with my twist out. I think next time I'll definitely make the twist a little bit smaller in the front, but I'm really digging it. As far as the quiz, I think I could have done better. This quiz has taught me that even though I have much love and admiration for my Black people, and I thought that I knew I thought I knew everything about us, there's still more room for me to grow. That's why we have Black History Month. This is about us learning more about our culture and where we come from. So thank you, Aunt Jackie's. That was pretty rad.
Thank y'all for watching, and most importantly, thank you to our sponsor, Aunt Jackie's, for providing these amazing products and giving our hair some much needed life.
And we want to know, have you tried Aunt Jackie's products, these specifically right here? If you have, go ahead and tell us about it in the comments below.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See y'all next time.
Bye.